Hi, my name is David Guillermo Martinez Gil from the city of Villavicencio, a fourth semester student of telecommunications engineering. I currently work as a merchant in which I perform very well and I can come up with my family. The use of species of fauna and flora is associated with men's interest in his environment and its living beings in the history of the settlements. Several of their excesses caused the extinction of species that most of the time were used for consumption. And to the extent that society has been concerned with protecting high risk species, illegal trafficking in specimens has increased. That is why that the United Nations Organization promotes the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora (CITES), which ensures that international trade in wild plants or animals does not threaten their survival in the natural environment. What is poaching and illegal trafficking of flora and fauna in Colombia? Illegal trafficking is like a pyramid. It begins with the peasants or the indigenous people who are in charge of extracting the species from their natural habitat and delivering them to an intermediary who transports and negotiates them either within our country or makes contacts with international traffickers. In 2020, 19,000 fauna specimens and 200 flora specimens were seized thanks to coordinated actions by the country environmental and authorities. The hunting of animals in an ecosystem alerts the food chains that forms within it and causes so terrestrial ecosystems to alter its balance and therefore function poorly. That is, hunting influences both the animals that die and those that do not plants, prey and predators. Finally, hunting contributes to loss of species biodiversity. Most modern species extinctions have been caused by habitat loss or degradation, deforestation, pollution. We have to be more aware as human beings because we are destroying the most beautiful thing on earth. Thank you, tutor, thank you.